I don't know what just
Oh my gosh,
happened.
I'm sick.
I'm so happy though.
For a fishing rod? Okay. Oh my gosh. I had barely enough to buy this though. So, did you just check the stuff? Okay. Like, I had only.
So now I can take all my fish in peace without them despawning on.
Where is it? Like, what part of the thing was it?
It says fish not found in bucket. Yep, the glitch is still here, I guess.
Hey, I'm outside.
Let me check.
I might have jumped. I might have.
Oh crap.
Really good fish.
I got a fish! Oh my
That's
god, I
actually a
got
good
a
idea to
fish!
go.
Yay! Put it in the bucket.
You want a fishing rod?
That's where. Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Let me try. I'm not good at it. I'm good at a far throw.
Hey, where are you going?
Wait a minute, where do you buy this stuff?
I shouldn't call this little. It's probably gonna be big. Whoa, that's sick.
Okay, I don't think I want to
Bro, what I just
snap the
said.
line.
Okay, put it in bucket.
Oh,
Bro, I just caught a giant thing. I'm not even using bait, bro.
My favorite thing,
Like,
bro.
like
They
go
literally
here to-
added my favorite thing.
Can I get like? Let's see
Bro,
what
my
can I
favorite
see.
thing is fishing. Let's go, I got a pink dober. Hello. Bro, where do you grab the stuff?
Oh, hey, what is that? Why is it?
I'm catching.
I caught another big
Oh, I can!
I want a small.
Oh, that's so cool!
This is how you catch fish.
Look,
This one bit.
you can like just break it
I
on
don't think I've ever seen a big fish.
Oh,
I mean a little
Give me it.
fish.
This is
Oh
how
my
you
god, I
catch
got a little
boat.
fish.
fishing
Oh!
Let me try this. Oh my gosh. Yep.
Bro, can you give me the best fishing rod? Can someone give me the best fishing rod?
No, I don't. Yeah, it's me. It's me, Boosh. It's me.
Oh, Travis, why did Lily get off? Oh my gosh, no way.
Did she slap you? Did she slap you? I heard her say sorry to you.
Yeah. She went, I was sitting waiting for her for it was my turn, and then her hand went into this part of my head. There's enough rope that people
Bro, chill out.
and she got off. Thank you, bro. Because she was shelby.
Bro, no way I got it.
Travis, would you rather have that happen or break your wrist?
I already read that.
So you need a lot of fish to get a cool.
Oh.
Get something. Look
Dude, I was just in a server and someone caught
I
a
can like trade it.
server and a little kid caught the sea
I'll try-
dragon and then
try the map.
nobody told him it was rare, so we just gave it to someone else.
Oh yeah, I give to you.
Oh shoot! No!
Travis, hello?
Bro, actually, so your voice is echoing.
So is yours.
You know what?
No! I got it.
I got it.
Oh my god.
Dude, does anyone here have a purple sea dragon? Does anyone here have a purple sea dragon?
I better get something good.
Bro.
Chano, do you have a purple sea dragon?
Let me try. Ready?
Alright.
Oh, let's go.
I see Cole out.
And what did I get?
I give to you. I give.
Dog.
You know, you can find
Okay.
anything in these
I just wasted 200.
I'm shooting the dragon. Come on, dragon. I can't catch a
Come
dragon.
on,
Oh wait, this guy's a little.
Wait, let me go catch something. I need to go catch something.
Tougher. I give to you.
Alright, I'll try
do you
the
sell
highest.
Oh, wait, I catch this hand.
Ooh, look what I caught.
Oh wait,
Highest
I
caught.
can't get it.
This is the most insane update ever.
I just want to catch the dragon.
So after recording, I kind of realized that the buckets are the same as loot bags, kind of, because when you can't give someone a loot bag, just like you can't give someone a bucket because it's your bucket. So yeah, I'm kind of mindlessly asking for a bucket.
Yo, I caught something. I caught something. Yo. I'm gonna go trade in.
I just cast it like across the whole earth.
Oh my god.
Yo, could someone give me a bucket?
Yo, guys, I'm a caster, bro.
Let me see if I can find like a bucket, like a bucket dispenser. Ooh, sugar. Oh yeah, you can make more like new food. You can make some food. Let me check.
I got so many. I got.
Oh, Oh, I can make food. Like they added new food. Bet.
I got one.
I've been wanting
I
new
get
food.
smacked with the fish. That's hilarious.
Oh, that's so cool. I saw this in like the lab rat videos, but like
Can you buy a boat? Can you buy a boat? Because I saw in the picture that you can buy a boat. Can you please come up?
what'd you say?
Oh yeah, you can buy a boat.
Can you please come up here?
Yeah, I'll go somewhere else.
Okay, you can stay up there.
Oh gosh, oh gosh.
You need a floaty? I guess not.
I'm good with that.
Yo, it's that. Oh!
I can't see anything, Bob.
Wait, do you need guys?
Guys, I'll be right back. Okay, I'll be
Oh, this is such a cool kid. We gotta kiss your fish.
Come here, boy.
I love you. No, puppy.
You need bait.
I think that's go baby.
I want baby Chester Cheetah.
No, just Oh, and reel this in.
No.
If y'all see how many
I
fish.
need to collect this thing. Yo, could someone give me a Cheetah, please?
Fishy, fishy, fishy.
He was at the end of the seas. That's where I caught him.
Oh, it's a goldfish.
Guys, I'm back.
That's a goldfish.
I'm back, guys.
I don't actually.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, yo, I think I might know where the.
Whoa, I didn't expect to miss that.
Fishy bait.
Ellie, come on. Oh, I don't know, but I do. Oh gosh, this guy right.
I'm gonna put this in.
Oh. I thought he was gonna snap my thing. Want it?
No.
Wait, how do you take out the fish out of your
That's my
bucket?
bucket.
How do I get bait? How do I get bait?
Oh gosh.
On the pro run. Yummy!
Bye.